Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Crochet World. Let's see some beautiful crochet pencil case designs model. A crochet pencil case design is a handmade pouch created using crochet techniques to store pens, pencils, and small stationery items. It blends functionality with decorative style, perfect if you enjoy DIY crafts or vintage-inspired accessories. What makes it special? A crochet pencil case is not just for storage, it is also a creative page. You can customize size, like a small pouch to long zipper case. Next, shape, like flat, round, cylindrical, or envelope style. Colors and patterns, stripes, floral, or granny squares. Common design styles: simple pouch, basic rectangular shape with a zipper or button. Drawstring case, soft, flexible, easy to open and close. Cylinder or roll-up case, great for organizing multiple pins neatly. Granny square case, made from classic crochet squares joined together. Very famous farmhouse vibe. Textured patterns, using stitches like bubble, shell, or waffle for a cozy look. Why people love it? For handmade and unique, eco-friendly alternative to plastic cases. Matches vintage, thought-score, or farmhouse aesthetic. Great for gifts or small business ideas. Here are some creative and practical tips to help you design something beautiful and travel. First, start with the right structure. A pencil case needs to hold its shape. Use tight stitches like single crochet or half double crochet. Choose a slightly smaller hook than recommended for your yarn. Add a fabric lining inside so pins don't poke through. Flip with texture, not just color. Instead of only changing colors, mix stitch styles. Tie bubble stitches for a raised, cozy look. Use shell or lace stitches for a soft vintage feel. Add chipped rows for a structured farmhouse style. Use a thoughtful color palette since you like vintage or cottage styles. Stick to muted tones like cream, rose cream, dusty pink, and light brown. Combine 2 to 3 colors max to keep it elegant. Add a thin contrast border for a polished finish. Closure matters, both style plus function. Different closures give different looks. First, deeper, neat and modern, best for everyday use. Next, button flap, rustic and handmade charm. Drawstring for soft and flexible, great for quick access. If using a zipper, sew it onto a fabric lining first. It looks much cleaner. Add small decorative details. Little touches make a big difference. Crochet tiny flowers, leaves, or bows. Adjust wooden buttons for a farmhouse vibe. Add a label tag. Use handmade or fabric. Use lace edging for a delicate finish. Make it more functional. Think about just a basic pouch. Add inner pockets for erasers or sharpeners. Create a roll-up style with slots for each pen. Make it a double layer case. Outer design plus inner compartments. Reinforce for durability. To make it long-lasting, double up yarn for the base. Add an extra base row with tighter stitches. Use cotton yarn for better strength and shape. Give it a signature style. Make your design stand out. Stick to a theme like floral, rustic, minimal, and vintage lace. Repeat a pattern motif like small flowers across the case. Keep your finishing neat, clean-edged, equal professional look. Improve shape with smart construction. Work the base using oval or rectangular increases so the case sits flat instead of bulking. For a boxy, structured look, crochet into the back loop only for all round to create a natural fold line. Try a flat bottom case. It keeps more space inside without making the case bulky. Make your finishing look clean. Always hide ear ends inside the lining instead of weaving them loosely. Use a slip stitch border or curved stitch reverse single crochet for a neat, defined edge. Block your finished bit lightly to even out stitches and shape. Upgrade your lining technique. Choose a slightly thick cotton fabric for lining. It protects from paint marks. Hand stitch with small, even stitches so they don't show outside. Add a thin layer of interfacing between crochet and lining for a firm store-bought fill. Add practical details people often skip. Sew in a small loop tab on the side. Helps open zipper easily. Add a wrist strap for easy carrying. Include a tiny carrying loop so it can attach to bag. Design with balance in mind. If your stitches are textured, keep colors simple. If your colors are bold, use simpler stitches. Avoid overcrowding. Leave a little empty space so the design feels calm and elegant. Experiment with unique techniques. Try tapestry crochet to create small patterns like hearts, flowers, and details. Use surface crochet to add designs on top after finishing. Make it more eco-friendly. Use leftover yarn scraps for patchwork or stripes. Try natural fibers like cotton or bamboo yarn. Add wooden or coconut shell buttons for a sustainable touch. Think like a designer. Before starting, decide who will use it: student, artist, or gift item. Font style: vintage, cottagecore, or minimal. What makes it different? Texture, shape, or detail. This helps your design feel intentional, not random. Use a slightly darker color for the base or bottom. It hides that and keeps your pencil case looking new longer. After finishing, lightly stem block without touching yarn directly. This relaxes stitches and gives your pencil case that smooth, high-quality look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!